3-speed adjustable speed, meet various experimental requirements. Overall design is lightweight, convenient one-handed operation. Supporting hexagonal wrench. Pull it out immediately. Tighten the loose screws. Grind the grinding rod, placed inside the clamp. Tighten both sides, fasten screw. Fixed inside the clamp. Press the start button. Adjustable in 3 gears. Can be sterilized at high temperatures. Sample processing capacity, up to 2 milliliters. First gear speed 5,000 revolutions per minute. Second gear speed 10,000 revolutions per minute. 3-speed 18,000 revolutions per minute. Good grinding and mixing effect. Stainless steel grinding pestle, durable and wear resistant.